Intel will invest $20 billion in a massive new manufacturing site in Ohio. The 1,000-acre site near Columbus will be used to develop and make semiconductor chips. The complex would also be a job maker with 3,000 permanent roles on the way. And it's just the first step in what could be an 8-factory mega complex costing $100 billion. CEO Pat Gelsinger said the site would be a new epicenter for advanced chip making in the US. Intel is trying to win back its position as maker of the smallest and fastest chips from the current leader, Taiwan's TSMC. It is also a potential boost for the US government's efforts to raise the country's supply of semiconductors and its aim to make more in America. However, it won't do much to alleviate the current global crisis over chip supplies, with the new plants taking years to build. Intel says output from the first 2 factories will begin in 2025. It's already broken ground on 2 other new plants in Arizona.